Hello, my name is Anna Felina, Principal Professional Services Engineer at Zend. Over the years, we've seen a growing trend of PHP teams having challenges that require outside help, but not necessarily take over a project. Often, developers just need to push over the initial hurdles of an initiative, someone to answer questions or provide an expert opinion. Why is our app so slow? Where to begin modernizing our legacy? How to introduce automated testing, static analysis, or deployment pipelines? Should we proceed with this architecture? That's where Zend Professional Services can help, particularly through the Black Belt service. What is Zend Black Belt? This service is basically an architect on speed dial. With this service, you have your choice between 2, 4, or 8 professional service hours per week. You and your team can use those service hours as you see fit, allowing you to target areas in your PHP applications that need the most assistance. Our PHP engineers are available around your busy schedule through easy-to-book consultations. Zend Black Belt makes our PHP experts yours, allowing you to finally tackle the hard problems you've been postponing. For what can I use Zend Black Belt? The consultations are flexible and can be used for a wide range of purposes. For example, you can use Black Belt to discover and diagnose gaps in your application or coding practices that are leaving your businesses vulnerable to security breaches. We can recommend actionable steps for hardening your application and guide you in the effort to safeguard sensitive user data. Another example is if you are running a legacy web application. Our PHP engineers can create a modernization roadmap for your team to follow. We'll identify and mitigate risks while planning large-scale or long-term changes to your application. Another way to use your hours is by establishing an automated test suite. We'll work closely with your team to help plan and lay the foundation, and your engineers can follow the examples to write high-value tests. These are just a few examples of how you might utilize Black Belt consultations. Really, the short answer may be how can't you use them? Who should use Zend Black Belt? Anyone working on enterprise PHP applications. But to be more specific, many in-house PHP teams could leverage additional expertise for secure, compliant, and modern PHP development. That's where Zend Black Belt steps in with the PHP expertise to help solve problems and keep initiatives moving. Can I use Zend Black Belt for training my team? Absolutely. The best way to learn is to collaborate with an expert. Our engineers will provide mentorship and guidance, either through discussions or demonstrations, or while assisting with an issue. We'll ensure you have the knowledge and tools necessary to create great software. However, if you are looking to cultivate specific PHP skills, Zend offers a variety of training courses from basic to advanced concepts. If you are interested in learning more, check out the links to our courses. How can I get started with Black Belt? Contact Zend. We've included a link at the end of this video and below. Simply fill out the form and one of our global PHP experts will be in contact soon to discuss your specific project, goals, and PHP applications that can be supported via the Black Belt service.